You want to stop it?
So how are you cutting it so it doesn't overlap all screwed up and everything? That's where the finesse comes in, huh?
One chance only.
So practice on your friend's one first, huh?
You gotta get a brand new razor. One chance only. You want this?
There you go.
There's a couple of tricks to putting this stuff on. The first one is that you cut it at an angle before you put it on. I'll demonstrate. Initially, when you trim it, you cut the inside one at an angle. You can barely see it. And you cut about an inch off of it.
And then you cut it at an angle, probably about 45 degrees with a razor. And then you roll it, which I showed you. And then once you're done rolling it, you want a brand new clean razor, long one.
So you change the razor every single time?
No, but it's recommended if you're doing it to use it, because you only get one chance to make it good. And if you don't do it right the first time, you're messed up. And what you want is the blade to run along the top of the part that's stuck and hold the free side like this, and you would just go like this. And the more angle you put on the razor, the easier it cuts. You've got one chance, and at the end it's gonna want to grab a little bit, so you just gotta kind of make sure you pull the blade away from your shaft just so you don't get any scratches. So once you're done with that, you can use like a 400 grit or even something a little heavier, and you got to use it on a sanding block so that you have a flat area. And then you just you can sand down the seam just a little bit. Don't sand it down to the glue part, because you'll get these weird little bumps. And then watch out that you don't sand the shaft, just because it'll make these white scratches. Aesthetics, but you want it to look perfect, at least for the first run, right?
Right.